In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sent mail in Gmail. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially for those moments when you quickly realize that you sent an email with a mistake. Maybe you forgot to attach a file, or perhaps an error slipped past your proofreading. Luckily, Gmail offers a handy undo send feature that can save the day. When you're composing your email, you'll proceed just as you normally would. You'll start by drafting your message, making sure to include everything you intend to communicate. Once you're satisfied with what you've composed, go ahead and click on Send. Now here's where Gmail's magic comes into play. After you've hit that Send button, do not look away from the screen just yet. At the bottom left corner of your Gmail window, you'll notice a small pop-up that says, Message sent, undo view message. This notification is time sensitive, so you need to act quickly. If you spot something wrong or want to make changes, click on Undo. Doing this reopens your email draft, giving you the chance to edit, make corrections, or even add attachments that you might have missed. Once you've made the necessary changes, simply hit Send again, and your corrected email will be on its way. Let's talk about extending that window of opportunity. By default, Gmail provides only a short period during which you can retract a sent email, but you have the power to increase this valuable buffer time. To adjust the duration of the undo send feature, head over to your Gmail settings. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, then select See All Settings. Make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down until you find Undo Send. Here, you can choose a cancellation period that works best for you, with options ranging from 5 seconds to a more generous 30 seconds. Once you've made your choice, scroll down a bit further and be sure to click on Save Changes. With this, you now have up to 30 seconds to reclaim and modify your email after sending it. This feature offers peace of mind, giving you a safety net to catch and correct any errors before they reach your recipient. By taking a moment to tweak your settings, you can drastically reduce those oops moments and ensure your emails are always just right. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this Gmail tip enhances your emailing experience.